Well, got a little bit of finagling done here for a bracket that I've designed. I'm going to be going through, well, I'm thinking about going through send, cut, send to make this up for me. It's literally simply just, a steel bracket that's going to go here. These bolts will come out and I'll be bolting through for this plate. This plate is going to be, back further to where it's flush with that, and this will sit pretty much like that. We're talking, 1/4 inch thick steel plate there. This will be a 1/4 inch thick steel plate, and then it'll sit, like that, to get extra rigidity to this, so that I have it triangulated and strengthened. I do have the 90-degree corner braces, so when this is on there like that, this will be down here, this will be here, and then there'll be a 90-degree corner brace on the top and bottom, welded in, give this strength here, which will give this strength. It'll increase my tongue weight capacity and my towing capacity slightly, but I'm mainly looking for tongue weight, because I don't trust this, because this is a hollow piece of steel. It's literally open right here. You can see that inner lip. So this is hollow. There's no actual drain port for water to get out of there. So if I go in the mud, or I hit a puddle, the water will go in there and it'll sit in there forever. So that's annoying. But this is hollow. It's just one piece of metal and one piece of metal, and then it's tack welded here, 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 and here, and then on the inside here and here, and then it's just welded on top and bottom. But basically I'm just gonna have a hole drilled in this, and that's gonna be how that plate is. That way I can do that. But I mean, the only solid piece of metal is this ring here. That's the only solid piece. Everything else it's hollow. Yeah. But I'll do a 1/4 inch steel plate here, and it's going to be cut out so that it doesn't interfere with this axle, and it'll be right there. I gotta do a little bit of trimming on this, because I'm gonna make it sit like that. So I gotta trim this up a little bit more, get it more presentable, get it made up, mount this where it needs to go, and then tack weld it to the plate, then pull everything off, weld it all up, drop this on, bolt it up, and then I'll have the added support. Because I don't like this, because I can literally push on this. I can push on this and it moves, and it literally says tongue weight, trailer load capacity is 450 pounds, and the tongue weight is 25 pounds. If I can move that with just touching, I mean, I'm only putting like 15 pounds of pressure on here, and it's bending that. So if I can get another bracket here and set, if I can do that and get that on there, I can increase the tongue weight to maybe say 50 pounds probably, and just a little bit extra weight on there. That way I feel more secure. But if I can do that with them, that'd be great. Again, that's what is that? Send Cut Send. It's an online company that does fabricating. But yeah, I don't have the CNC, you know, and I don't have the programming skills to do what I want to do. So I'm gonna have to hire out. If I had a drill press and stuff, I'd cut it out myself, but I don't. Wish I did, but yeah. Do a 1-inch hole on this side and call it good. I mean, these are going to be cut out to 1/2 inch to, you know, bolt on there. But that's the start of it.